Welcome to today's video. Breastfeeding is an ever-evolving journey, and even experienced moms can benefit from new strategies and advanced tips. Whether you're nursing a toddler, tandem feeding, or looking to overcome common challenges, this video is packed with insights to take your breastfeeding experience to the next level. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end on how to navigate weaning when the time comes. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other moms who are navigating the breastfeeding journey. Let's start with advanced positioning techniques. Laid-back nursing. This position can encourage better latching, especially for older babies who tend to wiggle. Recline slightly and let your baby's natural reflexes guide them. Dance or hold. Perfect for babies with latching challenges. This technique provides extra support for your breast while guiding your baby's mouth. Tandem feeding positions. If you're nursing two children of different ages, experiment with side-lying or cross-cradle positions to make it more comfortable for everyone. Pro tip: rotate positions regularly to empty all areas of your breast and prevent clogged ducts. Share your favorite nursing position in the comments. Next, let's focus on maintaining supply for long-term breastfeeding. Power pumping. Dedicate 1 hour to pump in intervals, 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off, to boost supply during growth spurts. Stay hydrated and nourished. Aim for water-rich foods like fruits and soups, and ensure you're eating enough calories to support milk production. Herbal supports. Fenugreek, morina, and other lactation-friendly herbs can give your supply a gentle boost. Always consult your doctor first. Pro tip: keep a water bottle nearby during nursing sessions to stay hydrated. Let me know in the comments what works best for boosting your supply. Here's how to handle breastfeeding while managing a busy schedule. Streamline pumping sessions. Invest in a hands-free pumping bra so you can multitask while expressing milk. Create a nursing station. Keep essentials like snacks, water, a burp cloth, and entertainment within arm's reach. Set boundaries. Communicate with family or work colleagues about your pumping or nursing schedule to ensure uninterrupted time. Pro tip: use a timer or reminder app to stay on track with pumping or feeding sessions. Share in the comments how you balance breastfeeding with your daily life. Addressing toddler breastfeeding challenges. Gentle boundaries. If your toddler is nursing frequently, redirect their attention with activities or snacks. Night weaning. Gradually reduce night feeds by shortening sessions or offering comfort in other ways. Handling distractions. For toddlers who get distracted while nursing, choose a quiet and dimly lit space. Pro tip: incorporate a nursing necklace to keep toddlers focused. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Weaning can be emotional for both mom and baby. Gradually drop one feed at a time, starting with the least important session, and replace it with cuddles, snacks, or activities to maintain your bond. Thank you for watching this advanced guide to breastfeeding. Every mom's journey is unique, and even seasoned moms continue to learn and grow. Celebrate your efforts, and remember, you're doing something incredible. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with other moms. Share your advanced breastfeeding tips or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next video.